Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. You see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of haircut in low maintenance. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and the latest type of cut. Very beautiful and trendy collection of haircut ideas in low maintenance. So attractive collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. Different ideas of highlights, highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, with different dark base color. Different ideas of base color, some ideas in light base color, some collection in dark base color, and so beautiful ideas of trendy ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Mostly ideas in low maintenance, messy hairstyles. But in today's my collection, some ideas, fine hairstyle. Some ideas too small and too short, wave and curl on hair, curly hairstyle. Some ideas, messy hairstyles. Beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. So beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. And so stylish ideas of undercut and shaved art. And many much more latest and trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish. And you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Insta and many apps of social media. I hope you must share it. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care yourself and take care your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.